Alright, another day on this thing. I think we're up to 5 days now on these lifters, I'm not sure. So Joe's not here yet, so I got the bike out here now. Wind's blowing really nice. Crap blowing everywhere. So we left off the rear intake is not working, which is the bad lifter. So today I'm going to swap the two lifters around, put the bad one on the exhaust so the bike will still run good. Bike runs like crap and the intake doesn't work, but exhaust doesn't really matter. And then I'll see if we get some oil pressure out of that thing. We're going to do an oil change and put some straight 50 or 60 weight in there. I'm not sure which yet. One of those two. Thicken the oil up and see if that makes any difference at all. Lifter adjustments at 20 flats, which seems to work for the other three, so I don't know why it wouldn't be working, but I might try 18 flats just to be different. When we're looking these over for oil pressure to the top end, I'm not sure how that really gets up there very much at all. And if the lifter's way on down low, I'm not sure how it works. So if I run the thing at zero clearance like a solid lifter, I don't know if it'll feed the top end worth of shit or not. Now the top end, the rockers are good because we run the thing yesterday, or the day before, whatever it was, the day before I think, as a solid. And it was nice and quiet until as it warmed up it got louder and louder, which makes sense. Solid doesn't change, motor grows, gets looser. So we know the top end is good, the rockers are good, all that stuff. Cam, all that crap. It was nice and quiet. Just have one bad lifter. 3 work, 1 doesn't. Same one that doesn't work. Nobody says just put some new lifters in. I've been putting new lifters in there. You watching the video? So these are new ones, they don't work. 4 out of 4 junk. S&S sent me another brand new set of them. I don't know if I want to use them or not. So this is the crane one we took out. That was working before, kind of, but off and on. Not working all anymore. So I tried doing loosen up the plunger because it's a little tight in there, the piston, on the one that's in there, and that didn't seem to help. So this is another brand new lifter out of the box. And this one looks like a number 11. So I'm going to take this one out and see exactly what stock looks like. And I think I'm going to go ahead and pull one of these new ones here out, these S&S ones. Take a look at that, see how they're made, do some measurements, and see if it's any different than this stuff. I can't figure out why a lifter that works perfectly fine on the bench will not bleed down. It takes an hour and a half to bleed down. Doesn't work. So, I don't know. It makes no sense to me. So, this stuff should be working just perfect, except it's not. So I don't know if I need to just ride it longer and let it run longer time, give it time to get oil up in there, or what. I don't know what the problem is. Been having a lot of problems with lifters over the last few years, and other people have also, so it's not like it's new. And I'm trying to figure out why they're not working, and I can't make heads or tails out of anything. So we're going to just take another one apart, see what it looks like, see if I can see anything at all that looks different than what I've been doing, which I doubt if there is, but whatever, we'll make a go of it. Let's see, I need another rag. Where's our dirty rags at this week? Yeah, we're doing drain rags today, I guess. All I know is I'm getting pretty frustrated with this project, but I'm stubborn, so we'll keep playing with it. At some point I'm going to figure out something. It's really tight. Yep, too low. The shocker didn't come out. Where's my magnet at today? I hung it somewhere. There it is. Plunger does not want to come out. Not moving at all. Okay. To make air pressure for with my air nozzle around here somewhere. What do I do with it? Ah, Joe put it away. I wasn't done with it yet. Whew. A lot of light machine oil in there. Not common. Got almost all the oil blown out of it though. Pressurized. Here when I pop the air out. So it's got air pressure in it but it won't come out. It's nice. More air pressure. Let's see if we can get this rubber tip to go in that far. I don't think it will, but we'll try. Not really. Nope. Don't want to come. All right. Let's try lots of volume. Not precision, just volume. No, not coming either. It might be a little tight in there. I'm thinking that wouldn't work from the factory. Yeah, that appears to be no go. Now what do you do? Yeah. Try a different one. Alright, this has no safety device on it, so it's a direct push. But it's not rubber, so it's not even. Still going to be kind of a volume deal, but more pressure. Still no go. That's 100 and it's over 150 because the air compressor hasn't come on yet. Let's see here. That's a good one. Alright, that didn't work. Try something new. Heat. I'll put some heat on it. Maybe it'll expand a little bit. Then it'll come out. That's what they make torches for. Don't heat up the airline. Not a good call. Right there. Shouldn't take much. Just trying to expand the body a little bit. See the oil smoking off, that's usually at least 400 degrees. There we go. Success. torches away when you're done with them. Good thing I kept the pliers on, huh? Ooh, that is tight. Ooh, that is really tight. You'd think that would have came out all the way, don't you? Won't even move. That is tight. Okay. Oil hole's on top. Now we're gonna have full pressure blowing it out. If it'll come. We'll see. Rubber tip. Camera's in the way. Tripod's getting kicked by all the airlines. Still a little bit warm. Not very. Here I go. That's tight. That is really tight. Something went flying. Yeah, I was on there. Thinking it might be too tight. Could be a little wrong. I don't know what took off down the road there. Something went flying. Cool off time. Okay. That's warm too. Air cooled.